Is BuildLeaf Tirzepatide really the breakthrough oral alternative to popular weight loss injections that it claims to be, or is it just another product riding on marketing hype? This supplement markets itself as a side effect-free solution, developed by top medical experts with over 15 years of research behind it, promising to improve metabolism, boost energy, reduce bloating, enhance sleep quality, and promote weight loss, all with just a few drops a day and without any need for diet or exercise. Such bold claims naturally raise eyebrows, so in this review, we take a deeper look at what's behind the hype. The company asserts that BuildLeaf Tirzepatide is FDA approved and GMP certified, but when you dig into those claims, the proof isn't as clear or straightforward as you might hope. The before and after photos featured in their marketing materials appear overly polished and staged, making it hard to verify their authenticity. Even more concerning is their use of logos from prestigious universities like Harvard and UCLA, which gives the impression of high-level endorsement but has no verified association. Some doctor endorsements seem questionable too, with little evidence these professionals genuinely support or recommend the product. User reviews are overwhelmingly positive on the surface, but they lack credible sources or detailed testimonials, which further clouds the reliability of these claims. While a few people have reported minor improvements in energy levels or sleep, the more dramatic effects like effortless weight loss and metabolic transformation are not consistently reflected in real user experiences. It's important to remember that sustainable health improvements usually require a comprehensive approach including diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes rather than relying solely on a supplement. Overall, BuildLeaf Tirzepatide presents an interesting concept, but with the questionable evidence and mixed results, it's wise to remain cautious and critically evaluate whether it's truly the solution it promises to be.